Once upon a time, there was a little cat. Every early morning, she would wake up, and first thing, she would look up to the sunshine. Then she would get ready for school. She would wait for a school bus to come once she's ready. Then, along with her other cat friends, she would go to school. She always arrives in school on time. After the assembly, she would go to class, where she studied along with her other cats. In her class, there is one naughty cat. She always tried to pick a fight with her. This time she gone too far. She got very irritated and she thrown her on a floor and she got badly hurt. Oh, poor cat. The other cat got very sad. She just was teasing her. She did not mean to hurt her. She was feeling so sad. The other cat is hurt. So she decided to go and visit the other cat in a hospital. And then they talk about it, and then they decided they will never fight ever again and they will become a best friend. The end. Please like and subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.